Jugosas Empanadas Criollas Argentinas. Juicy Argentine Creole empanadas. A main dish from Argentina. Serves 4. Step 1. Combine flour and salt in a bowl. Step 2. Pour in the tepid liquid, grasa de pella / the entire egg and water until reasonably well combined. Step 3. Turn out on a floured surface and knead until smooth. Step 4. Leave 15 minutes to rest covered with a moistened cloth. Step 5. Roll on the dough with a knead stick stretching until 3 mm thick. Step 6. Cut circles approximately 5 inches in diameter. Step 7. Heat the 2 large cups of grasa de pella / in a saucepan until liquid. Step 8. Sauté in it the chopped onion until soft but not brown. Step 9. Retire from heat and add the chopped meat, paprika, crushed red pepper, and salt to taste. Step 10. Turn for mixing very well. Step 11. Let the filling become cold and then refrigerate until it solidifies. Step 12. This is the secret for juicy empanadas. Step 13. Final setup: place a portion of filling in the center of each circle of dough and add a green olive without core. Step 14. Lightly brush the edges with water and fold the dough over the filling. Step 15. Crimp the edges securely by pressing them with a fork or make of overlapping small folds along the line of union of the edges as a sort of seam. Make sure it remains securely closed. Step 16. To bake, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the empanadas on a buttered cookie sheet. Brush the tops lightly with egg yolk or butter and bake until light brown. Step approximately 15 minutes. To sauté, heat enough oil to cover the empanadas in a saucepan over high heat. Step 18. When very hot, sink the empanadas until light brown. Approximately 5 minutes. Step 19. Verify the temperature of oil. It must be very hot. Step 20. Throw a small piece of bread into the pan to check it. Step 21. The bread will be surrounded by bubbles when oil is ready. Step 22. In both ways of cooking, wait 15 minutes before eating. Step 23. The filling has a high thermal inertia, and burning your tongue will not help to enjoy this delicious, typical Argentine meal. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.